Hey guys, today, sorry. So this is part 3 now of unboxing the limited time summer GameCube colore. And I finally stickered it. Kind of took a little bit long, but here. You guys can see some bubbles, but don't worry. It'll get out over time anyway. So, let's give some tests. I just like the colors so much. It feels so good. Actually, it kind of feels like my last one. Okay. Time for a solve. I haven't solved the Rubik's Cube in like so long, so yeah, this might take me a little bit of a long time. And go. This feels a tiny bit loose, like last time, because, I don't know. I guess the maglev is just different. Okay, done. I don't know how long it took. I should probably time myself next time. Let's do some more solves. I'm gonna try to learn C-fob method because I haven't learned it yet. I don't know why. I guess I just got lazy on it. So yeah, let's try solving again. 3, 2, and 1, go. Oh, jeez. I guess these are some really bad turns of me. I think I'm talking too quietly because it's so hard to, like, how do I say it? I forgot what to say about it. Yeah, feels like my other one. Yeah, that's really it for the video. Yeah, poem in Chinese. I think that's really just it. So, put it back. And bye.